Hi, next for on this year's PDC exhibition, we have a lot of things to share, especially for this dry type oilless air compressor. You can see that handle air end two stage, one stage for another one, and it can generate 12.6 cubic meter per minute of FAD. At working pressure of 8 bars. Come and see this. It is oil cooled, so the air is housing has oil to exchange the heat. We have an oil pump here and radiator here. Even the radiator is two stage. So you can see a big one and a smaller size to drive all the heat away from the machine. So we have if you need, we can send you an e-catalog copy or log to my blog at chinacompressor.org. Thank you very much.